We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Move the bird as little as possible. A bird with a broken wing or other injury should not be moved except when absolutely necessary, even if it is your pet bird. This will help prevent further injury for the bird. Pick the bird up with a towel, wrap it in a towel, and place it in a shoebox.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.